JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Bethlehem, Georgia today. This is a referral customer. As you can see, we've got some pet spots here in the living room. Then we move over to the stairs and you see a couple more spots here. Some slight dark discolorations, which is probably from spot cleaner. Then we have the stairs going up to the second level where there are two secondary bedrooms, a hallway here, and the master. On the other side of the hallway there is a bonus room, we'll call it. No closet in the bonus room, but this here is a bonus room. Kind of an odd layout for a house. I guess it could be an office or something like that, but like I said, this is a move out clean. So there's 3 total bedrooms, the hallway, the stairs, and the living room. So a total of 7 areas. So it's a $280 job. So like I said, there's only one area downstairs. It's going to take a few minutes, but other than that, it's in pretty good shape. So we'll get started and we're shooting after it. Alright guys, as you can see, it's about 10 o'clock. Like I said, we had 3 bedrooms, the hall, the stairs, the living room, and the bonus room. We did use a deodorizer to help with, just freshen things up a bit. As you can see, the spots are gone here in the living room, right here close to the kitchen. As we move over to the stairs, all these spots were gone as well. Not much to see upstairs, but we'll take you upstairs anyway. As always, there's no upsells, no per spot fees, things of that nature. There are some companies out there that I'm sure you're familiar with on the radio that advertise specials. 3 areas, mention my name, you get the hallway cleaned for free, people, using their patented empowered water. Well, they charge an extra $40 to $90 per area for pet spots, when we charge $40 total per area, which includes pet spots. That's just how we handle things. So again, this is JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, 404-500-9853, or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Thank you for watching.